Hello, welcome back. So I'm getting error in MRKO while trying to settle a vendor consignment. I'm getting one error about consignment settlement. No message was found for a partner, and this is the partner number and a plant, sorry, company code. And for this, actually, I'm getting error that no message is found or was found. So let's see how to resolve this error, and message number is M8443. So to resolve this error we need to maintain a message type in T code MRK, sorry, MRM1. This is the T code where we maintain condition records for invoice verification for consignment. So here you have to select output type as a consignment KONS, and there is also, in case of EDI settlement, consignment is settling through EDI, you have to select KON6, but in my case I am setting through an MRKOT code, so I will select this, then press enter. Then we have two options: either settled it with the combination of company code and a particular supplier or invoicing party, or else create it for company code and then all the supplier or invoicing parties with this company code reference will use same message type. So here we will provide condition company code IE10, then function. In case of your invoicing party, then you will select invoicing party, but in my case vendor is my partner, so then this medium, depending on what medium you are using, print, fax, EDI, whatever, you will select this medium here. So these all are the medium, but for test I am selecting printout. Then date and time, so how you wanna print this with some job, or send with some job with the time specification, send with on transaction, or send immediately. So I will keep it send with the one application, and then language. Once this is provided, press enter. Then select this line and go to the communication and select whatever your channel. In my case I am doing print, so I will standard SAP printer LP05 because this is a test system, so printer setup is definitely it's not gonna be here. Then that's it, and save it. So now this condition record is saved. In case you wanted to edit this condition record, you can edit through MRM2 and modify this record in case of something is changed or something is wrong. Or if you just want to display whether it is a maintained or not for your company code, you can use MRM3 to display maintained condition record for your company code or for all the company code. In case for all company code, you can directly just execute and you will see. So here one invoicing party is also maintained, but for this company code I have maintained this record. So this is the way you can maintain missing records. Now if I go and again try to settle this invoice, so this one, let's rerun this again, settled and execute. Now it will create a document. So see, now this error is not there and document is created. So this is how we resolve the error about the consignment settlement if no message is found. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.